Start exercise 11.1 is the first question. A square and a rectangle. A square and a rectangle field with the measurement are given is the following figure has the same parameter. Is the first condition is given is the same parameter which field has a largest area. Okay, so now it is given that now first we let area is a side square and the area is a length into breadth. Okay, and parameter is given, that is a parameter is a 4 into side, and here is a 2 into L plus B. Okay, so the downward is a parameter and upward is a downward is a area and upward is a parameter. Okay, but here will be breadth is not given. Let's suppose breadth is a x. Okay, now let x be the breadth, because bina breadth you have not find the area of the rectangles. Now is breadth of rectangle. Okay, it is the value of x, and given the parameter of a square equal to parameter of rectangle. Is it given that question is given same parameter, it's mean the parameter of the square is equal to parameter of the rectangle. So what is the parameter of the square? Its parameter is 4 into side, and here is a 2 into L plus B, where is the L is a length and B is a breadth. Okay, now put the value 4 into side is given that 60, and 2 into L is a 80 plus B, multiply 4 to 4 6 24 is equal to 2 into 80 plus B. First will be transfer to value of 2. Transfer to value of 2. It is a here is a multiply sign here. After transformation is a dividation in 80 plus B. After cancellation is 120, and 120 transfer to 80 is B. It's mean 120 and 80 is a minus is a 40 meter is the value of B. Okay, what is the value of B? Is the value of x. Okay, यहाँ पे आप you have write not B, because you have put the value x and x. Okay, it's mean the breadth of rectangle is 40 meter. Okay, now first will we find the breadth. Now second will be question is asked which field has larger area. So that first we will find area of square. Area of square is a side into side. Side into side means 60 into 60. 60 into 60 is equal to 3600 meter square. Okay, and second compare the area. To find the area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is L into B, where B is a breadth, L is a length. Capital small is not any problem. Now length is 80 and breadth you find 40. To write the 40 multiplication 8 4 is 32 meter square. So the area of the square is 36,000 3600 meter square and area of the rectangle is 32 meter square. So which area is the largest? Square. Okay, so write the square has big yeah, larger area. Question number second. Mrs. Kaushik has a spherical plot. Mrs. Kaushik is a square plot with the measure in the show in the given diagrams. The figure she wants the consent. A house is a middle in the house and plot a garden will develop and around the house. Okay, and find the total cost of the develop of the garden is a rate of 55 rupees in a per meter. Okay, so it is, suppose you have find the area of the reddish part and multiply by the 55. Okay, so which type of a find? Suppose is this, you look at this. Okay, this is the this area of is the part of, okay, and mid part is a house. So you find the area of the house, area of the, first will you find the area of the full square, okay, full square, and minus area of house. Area of house you have suppose minus the area of the house, that is the remaining part of is a area of garden. Okay, so this type of solution you have see. Now write the area of the garden. Now area of garden, area of garden is equal to, now area of square plot minus area of the house, area of house. Okay, and area of is the house is which shape is rectangle shape. Is the square shape means is this side into side minus is a length into breadth. Okay, now write side into side is, how many sides will be square? Is 25 into 25 minus length is a 20 into and breadth is a 15. Okay, now 25 into is equal to 625 minus 300. Okay, minus 300 is equal to, after multiplication subtract 325 meter square. It's mean developed area is a total developed area of the garden is 325. Okay, it's the question is finish the this point and find the total cost of the develop a garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. So now the cost of developing the garden is equal to, okay, ये लिख सकते हैं the total cost of the developing the garden is 325 into what is the rate is 55. Okay, now 325 into 55 is 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 2 is 10 and 2 12, 5 3 is 15 and 16. Again 1 6 2 5 will multiply 5 7 8 7 1. Okay, so that answer is rupees of 17,875 rupees is a total cost of develop in the garden at the rate of 55%. 3 is asked, the shape of the garden is a rectangle in the middle and the semicircle of the end of the ends. As show the diagrams, this is the given diagrams is a shape of garden, and find the area of the parameter. Okay, now he is asked the rectangle and middle of, so you have divide in the shape, okay, in 3 parts. First part is a semicircle, a rectangle and semicircle. So write the first part, second part and third part. Okay, now the total distance, this in first point to end point is 20 meter, and the breadth of the rectangle is 7 meter. It's mean the distance is 7 meter. Okay, now this is the semicircle. Semicircle means this is the diameter of the semicircle. It's mean the diameter of circle is 7 meter. Okay, this is the diameter. This type of semicircle, the distance is 7 meter. It's mean this is the diameter. It's mean radius of circle is 7/2 meter. This the radius is say 7/2. Okay, 7/2 means 3.5 meter. Okay, it's mean here to part is 3.5 meter, and last will we say radius is 3.5 meter, and remaining part of the length of the rectangle is 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7, and 20 is a total. The 7 minus is equal to 13, means it is the part of 13 meter. Okay, now first will we find the area. The total area of garden, total area of the garden means the area of first part, area of second part and area of third part. Now write area of first part plus area of second part and plus area of third part. Okay, and area of first part is a area of semicircle. Area of second part is area of rectangle shape, and third part again area of semicircle. Okay, the first part is area of semicircle, middle part is area of the rectangle, and third part is area of the semicircle. Okay, so now write the area of semicircle is area of circle is pi r square, is the area of circle. Semicircle is half, so you write pi r square upon 2 plus L into B plus pi r square upon 2. Okay, now L into B is front will be right, and pi r square upon 2 plus pi r square upon 2. The half and half you write only one time. It's mean L into B plus pi r square. Okay, now put the value. L value is a value, L is a length, is here is the length, this is the breadth. It means 13 into 7 plus pi value is a 22 upon 7 into r value is 3.5 into 3.5, 2 times because r square. Now 7 3s are 21, okay, is 1, and 7 1s are 1 and 2 is 91, plus here will be solve that 22 into 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are, the answer is 0.5, that we multiply 0.5 into 3.5. okay, now multiply 22 multiply 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, 11, and point is after 1 point, and again multiply means 3.5 multiply 11, it's mean 3 5 3 5 5 8 3, and answer is 91 plus 38.5, and add 91, okay, 129.5 meter square is the total area of the garden, okay. And its second question is find the area of garden you find. Second is find the parameter, okay. So now write parameter, same process, parameter. Now parameter of garden, suppose you run A, B, C and D. So first will we start to A, okay. So A to B means AB, then B to C, it's mean BC curve, okay, because we have write the curve shape, plus again C to D is a line segment, and plus DA again will be curve. This is a total parameter. Parameter will be you have run around the shapes. Now first will be length is 13 plus, it is the length is 13, it is a BC's curve. BC's curve means you run on the circle as a parameter is means circumference. So circumference is a circle is 2 pi r, and semicircle is upon 2, to cancel only pi r is a circumference of semicircle, that pi r, plus again CD you run is 13, plus again you run on the circumference, that is a semicircle pi r. Now 13 is 26 plus, okay, pi r plus pi r, and 26 plus 2 pi r, 2 times. Now 26 plus 2 into 22 upon 7, and value of 7 upon 2, 3.5 b you put, no problem, 3.5 no problem. Now 7 0.5, and write 26 plus, and so a multiplication 2 2 is a 4, 44 into 0.5, okay. Write the 44 into 0.5 is equal to 26 plus 520 to 520 and 22. The point is only answer is 22, and after 48 meter. Parameter unit is only 1 unit. Question 4. A flowing tiles has a shape of parallelogram. You now understand parallelogram shape is a same rectangle, but is a not angle of is 90 is not, okay. Now whose the base is 24 and height is a corresponding height is a, so that is the his base is 24 and corresponding height is a 10 centimeter. And how many tiles will such if one big area will given is the area is 1080 meter square and filled by the tiles, you find how many tiles will paste the fill on the full cover. Okay, so in this condition you have see the question is it the shape of the parallelogram with the base is 24 centimeter and height is a in centimeter, but area is given meter. So first will we change the area in centimeter. Okay, so now write the area of the total area of floor 1080 meter square, that is a change into centimeter, the 2 times of multiply 100 is equal to 1080,0000 centimeter square. Okay, how to change? Now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, and 1 meter into 1 meter is equal to 1 meter square. So now we 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter is a 10,000 centimeter square. Okay, write meter to change centimeter square 2 times of multiply of 100. Okay, now first will we find the area of the tiles. Okay, yeah, directly you write number of tiles because you find the number of tiles is equal to total area of floor upon area of one tiles. Okay, now suppose area is 24. Okay, and 6 tiles and one area is 4, so it's mean 24 upon 4 is a 6 number of tiles. The same method will be used. Okay, now total area is 1080 and 0000 upon area of the tiles. Now area of the tiles, it is a parallelogram that length into breadth means 24 into 10. Okay, 0 to 0 cancel. Okay, 2 12. It is simply you write, because the number is very big, you write 108 into 1 2 3 4 upon 24. Now we 12 is 54. Okay, again 6 is 27. It is 3 4 2 3 is 3 3 2 is 6, 3 9 is 27, 2 1 is 2, and after can 5 and 3 0. Here 9 multiply 500 after multiplication 45,000. Its mean number of tiles is 45,000 is required to flow total floor. Question 5. Okay, I will read the question 5. An ant is moving around of the food piece of different shapes. There are 3 shapes are given, and ant will be moved in the around on the shape, and which is the food piece would be ant to be like a longest around. Okay, and reminder will be given the circumference of the circle is expense c is 2 pi r, and r is here is a radius. Okay, the given 3 shapes will be given A, B, C, and aunt will be around. Around means you have find the only parameter. Okay, now write the point A, B. Here will be A, B, C, and D. Now we A, B, and C. Okay, here write the same name is C. Here will be B. Its mean find the parameter of all shapes. So that first is now moving distance is equal to, first will be AB, A to B, and plus BA, a curve. Okay, the aunt will be start to point A and move the point line of AB, and this is the curve of AB. Okay, now it is clear that is the AB is a 2.8 plus, and AB is a, this is a shape of semicircle, and AB is a diameter. Okay, so that the radius, here will be write the parameter, a parameter of the semicircle is 2 pi r upon 2. 2 pi r upon 2 is a semicircle, a parameter of semicircle, yes, circumference. Okay, now 2.8 plus 2 cancel is pi r. Okay, now T is equal to 2.8 centimeter. It is the diameter of the semicircle. The radius is half of the diameter. Now 2.8 plus 22 upon 7 into 2.8 upon 2 is a radius of given diagrams here circumference. Now find 2.8 plus 22 upon 7. Now cut 2 1 2 in 11 and 7 1 7, 7 4 0.4 is. Now we multiply is 4.4. 11 multiply 0.4 is 4.4. After my 8 and 4 is 12, 6 and 1 7 centimeter. So total distance will cover is 7.2 centimeter. Okay, ये लिख सकते हैं that diameter D is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Okay, it is the radius D upon 2 is equal to R. Now second solution, here we will be moving distance. Moving distance is equal to, first will be they move AB, A to D. Yeah, first will be AB will be curve, and plus BC, B to C, then C to D, and plus D to A. They all are line segment, and this is the curve. Curve means the part of the circle. Part of the circle, it is the semicircle. Again, it is the semicircle. The diameter is a, this is the diameter of semicircle. Okay, now AB is a 2 pi r upon 2 plus BC is a 1.5 and DC is a 2.8 plus 1.5. The distance is 1.5, similar to 1 to 1.5, and 2.8 is 2.8, but it is the curve. Now curve is a circumference of circle. Circumference of the semicircle is 2 pi r upon 2. Again will be cut. You write the value 22 upon 7 is radius is 2.8 upon 2 plus 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5. Okay, now after will we solve 11 and 0.4 to write that 4.4 plus 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5. Now add the number is 4.4, 1.5, 2.8 and 1.5. Okay, 5 5 10 and 10 4 5 10 10 and 8 18 and 22. It's mean 2 and 2 carry 2 6 7 8 9 and 10. It's mean the value is 10.2. The final answer is distance is 10.2 centimeter. Okay, now start third. Here we will be moving distance is equal to start to A. First will be AB is again curve and diameter is the diameter is 2.8. It means diameter is 2.8. Now radius is 2.8 upon 2 plus B to C is it line segment and C to A. Okay, now first will be curve means 2 pi r upon 2 and plus BC is a 2 centimeter and CN 2 centimeter. They will 2 cancel, only pi means 22 upon 7 into r is 2.8 upon 2 plus 2 is a 4. 7 0.4 it is the 11. The 4.4 plus 4 it's mean 8.4 centimeter. Okay. Peace.